Here at question 6, we'll just begin by reading the task, understanding that hopefully you recall our pink highlights from prior questions of this passage. But we've got our indicator saying we've got to go find a detail. According to the passage, deep well injection of hazardous waste has become. Well, we're talking about deep well injection. We just got done, if you watched question 5, discussing deep well injection a little bit higher in the introductory paragraph. It provides all the background about deep well injection. But if we read that information, we know that we're going to put this hazardous waste into the earth underneath the rock strata and all that sort of stuff. But if we've got our deep well injection in our main idea highlighted sentence, we may want to revisit that as well. And it states deep well injection, which has been used to some extent since the 1930s, has become a matter of controversy as growing numbers of communities come to rely on underground sources of drinking water. The controversy arises because there are three serious problems with this method of waste disposal. So, what has deep well injection become? It's become a matter of controversy. It's right here. So let's go into our answer choices and see if any of those match that information, starting with choice A. So deep well injection of hazardous waste has become more controversial because of an increased dependence on underground sources of drinking water. Well, ding, ding, ding. There's our correct answer. It matches that information perfectly, which just gives me license to go more briskly through the other answer choices. So choice B, more controversial because of an increase in toxin-related illnesses. Well, we didn't broker the subject of toxin-related illnesses, so we can eliminate choice B. And then choices C, D, and E, as soon as we see that each of these answer choices starts with more widely accepted, we know that's the opposite. So this is when you can go really quickly and gain some time back. Select choice A at this point, because when you have dichotomous options, like two of them say one thing like more controversial and three of them say more widely accepted, only one of those two things can be true. So once you figured out which it is, you can eliminate the ones that say the other almost immediately.